Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up country-based pricing and VAT tax settings in WooCommerce for free. First, for country-based pricing you'll need the free Advanced Dynamic Pricing for WooCommerce plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for it, install and activation. Go to WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing, click Add New Rule. Name your rule, like US discount. Set the rule type to product. Under Conditions, click Add, select Customer Country, and choose United States. Then, under Pricing, set a discount or a specific price. Click Publish to save the rule. Now, customers from the US will see this special price. Now, for VAT or tax settings, go to WooCommerce, Settings and click the Tax tab. First, check the box to enable taxes and tax calculations. Click Standard Rates. Here, you can add tax rates for each country. Click Insert Row. Choose a country code, like GB for the UK. Set a tax rate, like 20.0000. Set the tax name to VAT. Click Save Changes. To ensure prices are shown with tax, go to the General tab in Settings. Set the prices entered with tax option to Yes. I will enter prices inclusive of tax. This is the standard method for VAT. And that's it. You've set up a pricing rule for a specific country and configured your store to handle VAT or sales tax correctly. If this helped you manage international sales, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.